English step by step, present perfect simple, step 7. In this step, you can try some practice exercises, so make sure you watch the other steps before you try these. And remember, if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, click like. If you'd like to see other videos like this, you can click subscribe. And if you'd like to request a topic or a subject, leave a comment in the comments below. So here's the first practice exercise for present perfect simple, and you can see there are 9 sentences, and I've put the plus sign when you have to make an affirmative sentence, and a minus sign when you have to make a negative sentence, and a question mark where you have to make the questions. So you can see 9 sentences, and you have to make an affirmative, a negative, or a question for each of these. And you can finish the sentences by using these verbs on the right: arrest, be, do, forget, have, meet, ride, see, and sit. So that's the first exercise, and you can move on to the second exercise when you finish that, and I'll go through the answers in the next video. So here's the second practice exercise. You can see it's the same idea with positive, negative, and questions, and a list of verbs: catch, climb, contact, eat, see, sting, take, watch, and win. Now, I'll leave these 2 practice exercises up on the screen for 1 minute each. You can take a photograph, or you can just write down the answers on a piece of paper, and then we'll go through the answers and I'll explain the answers in the next video, which will be step 7.